In this video, we're going to learn how to share folders and files in Google Drive. There are two options. We can share them with specific people, or we can share them using a link so that everybody with the link will have access to my files or folders. Both options are very useful for collaborative work. Let's start with this file, with this document. We basically have to select it and click on share, or right click, share. It opens up a menu. Here we can add the people we want to have access to our document. We type in the emails. And now these two people will be editors of the file. If we only want them to view it, we select this option. And notify people means that they will receive an email in their email accounts. Let's select editor, for example. Commenter means that they can see it and also add comments. Let's click on share. The people we have shared our file with will be able to see it in the section shared with me, which is on the left side of the screen. Now let's open the same menu, and you see that they both have a role of editors, which can be changed here. We can also remove access and transfer ownership. Apart from this, we have another option, which is general access. For the moment it is restricted, but if we click there, we have the option anyone with a link, which means that anyone with a link, the link is obtained by clicking here. Now it's copied, and if we want to a new tab, this is the link to our file. Everyone with a link can see our file. If we select editor, everyone with a link will be able to edit our document. So we have to be careful and make sure we share the link only with the people we want to have access to it. If not, it is better to select viewer or just restrict it to only the people that we have selected here. In the case of the folders, it is almost the same, but in this case there are a few different things. One is that editors will be able to, as you can see here, organize, which means move files, add files and edit files, but they won't be able to delete any files in the folder. And also sign in is required, even in the case that we have shared it with a link. There is an extra option over here which says that editors can change permissions and share, which is something that you can uncheck if you don't want them to be able to do it. And that's everything I wanted to tell you today, guys. See you, have a nice day.